Good afternoon. This is a short video of the installation of the Zero Breeze Mark III in my van. Give you an orientation, driver's seat, closet, little place for the cat down there. Let's come on in, and we see this is the cage which has the Zero Breeze in it. Bedroom is in the back, as is often the case. And here we see the input and output of the cool air. Obviously the warm air input is a little higher than the output. So this is mounted fairly permanently. We are powered by the EcoFlow Delta 2 Max. Sorry, that was one of my lights. This is the cord that goes up to the front, 110. This is to the Zero Breeze power module, and this is to a back 110 outlet. Have the two cords to output warm air, which runs down and through the floor. And if you can just kind of see under there is the drain tube, which also runs. That's behind this black insulated pipe. The EcoFlow is charged by solar, 500 watts on the roof, plus the alternator charger when we're running. As a supplemental, by the way, we also have an original Delta 1300, which powers all my interior lights and refrigerator and sink. So that's my installation. I do have a curtained off area here. I have the curtains down so you can see, and that will curtain off the bed area. Downside, major downside, is I cannot get to the visual display, so I rely on the app or the remote control. Anyway, that's it. Have a great day.